Good morning, guys. We are here right now in capital site. So I just wanna show you some changes on the road rules. So there's our street here. Malikot na ron sa J. Avila Street, Don Jose Avila Street. Here in there is Kilin Cebu Dock. This is now two-way, by the way. So one ng MDS building, that's the building that we're used to. We often come to. But now this is two-way. So this street going towards Ihas is now open for two-way traffic. So wala na. Pwede na magsugat, pwede na kuhaan na two-way na siya. So that's a change. Bagong change when it comes to kuhaan lang. Road rules. When you pass by here, basta ma-shock lang ka ba na uy, two-way naman din na. Today is a Wednesday. It's March 22 Marso 22. And manay ko na to. So dili lang tab-agi sa okay, padong kaso announcement niya. Pwede tatang padong baseline niya, but dili na taagi para since sayo pa man, still around 7:15. So wala lang. But this showed you muna bagong agianan, mga road constructions, road updates, and that's one update when you travel or you drive around Cebu. Yes. Still here at Juanos Menia. Walang na busy. Not really so busy yet. It's still early. But what are we gonna talk about today? Sa mga bagon, sa mga events this coming weekend, and we have the International Travel Festival, which is one of the biggest sales sa Cebu when it comes to tours and travels, and not especially international travel. So there are many countries that are opening up nanindot kay ilang mga promos. I think Korea is quite aggressive with their tourism. Taiwan as well, diba? I think Taiwan is even a program na mga tax like kwarta to some tourists to spend, diba? To encourage. So lingaw sa na tripping, and I don't know, that's just a way of saying na competitive sa ng kalibutan when it comes to kanang ingana ng travel. Tourism is a big market, is a big money making one for the economy. That's really daghan kayo benefits ang tourism. I mean, not only katong na yung mga bisita magkakwarta ta kung magasto sila, but it also provides a lot of jobs. So manay ko naman na always been tourism has always been part of our DNA kanang mga Pinoy. Sa mga since dugay na mga tourism, we always say our country is beautiful, that you have to visit here, or other countries also are saying their country is as beautiful, ay lang ng more beautiful kay, diba? We're not gonna discuss or debate about it. It's just that we're as beautiful para di na. We have our differences, we have our different weather, different culture, so that's that will educate us or widen our knowledge about the world, or widen our horizons. So it would really be nice to travel, but yes, you have to save up for it, because of course you have to pay for airfare. Transportation is really a big part of it, and you have to save up also, because most of the time that we travel or have a vacation, it's just really gonna be mostly spending. And the nice thing is some are lucky to Some are really lucky that they can earn while having a vacation. Some do that. Some have passive income. Some are, some are paid vacations, of course, especially other countries. They still get paid. It's really part of their jobs or part of their benefits, government benefits, standard benefits na they're allowed to have vacations or they have mandatory vacations. So Philippines na aman sad, yes. From now na, especially during this Holy Week, I think a lot of Filipinos are planning to go around. So by Friday, we will check out some of the deals sa ITF unsay naa. And I'm hoping also that they will be successful. They will have a lot of sales, inquiries, interest in going to their resorts, or kung travel agents la, to tours and travels. Lang na ba na we're hoping, we're praying na for success sa industry. Ano na ikuha na to. Ano na itong ampo. Ano na itong hope nila na so there's gonna be an international travel festival in Cebu this coming weekend. There is Ayala Center Cebu, which is gonna have to show the Ayala Center Cebu. We're on our way to Ayala Center Cebu. And by the way, kung hilig kag auto, this is Ayala Center Cebu. I was just at a launch of the new showroom for the mini Philippines, mini auto studio Cebu. So na dito yung mga Mini Cooper. Mahala this Mini Cooper, no, but it's really a beautiful car. It's just a 3 million. Wow, 3 million guys, 3 million siya. Power kayo. So it's like kuha na ba? For rich people, of course, hanggang 3 million usay makapalit na ka really SUV sa uban, or SUV o SUV plus sedan. Sa uban gali upat na lang ka sedan, 800,000, di ba? Ingnon lang nato ba? So this is the change pa din sa Ayala. Wapay Ayala Center Cebu, wala panahon man nilang mga road upgrades. Manang huot-huot pa ni dire. But yeah, it's a work in progress. And there are wise guys who create their own lane. Two-way na ni siya, left and right ni. And they really wanna line up yapon sa padong left. Sige, nagdali tingin ka, but still don't block the kuan. This is not kuan ba? Sunod mo sa lane, daghan mo ba? Wanan, kinsa ka, GAJ 6546. Maybe ito, saan ba? They shouldn't block, diba? Kaso lang ba? Maybe this morning pwede pa na, but kung hapon na rush hour yan, mangawat ka dito na lane yan, then there are people na who are turning left dito, diba? Pero na pautoy ko lang sa Ayala, traffic dito, kuan pa ito ba? Panahuman ilang daan, hantod na away na mahuman. It's been months already, but once it's done also, it's all for the best. I mean, I think they haven't really done this kind of major road upgrade for like I think over 20 almost 30 years na ng Ayala. So probably maybe it's like their 30-year upgrade or 25 years. 30-year upgrade din siya nila. Diba? Whoa. So mga guys, some of our changes here at in Cebu. Pero kung early ka, like this time, mga by 7:30, medyo kuan pa gina. Traffic is really light to moderate. Di pa siya as grabe as the ano bang traffic during the midday na. May mga what midday traffic. Although ba na daghan na gid sa nanggawas because it's the morning rush hour. So mana kung if you can come, if you're looking to travel soon, visit niya Pohon this Friday, Saturday and Sunday, the International Travel Festival ITF 2023. It's organized by MyEventology. So mga atong kuan, we are gonna expect many resorts doing exhibits, resorts not only in Cebu but also resorts from in the provincial areas, but also other islands like Bohol, Camiguin, even Manila. You will be able to check out their deals, what are they offering, o guban pa. And it's really a good time to buy travel sales are a good time, especially if you really have plans to travel. Why not, diba? Get the great deals of bookings para makabarato ka. Some of our rooms are really especially kada mga staycations, medyo mahal gid na, di ba? Whereas the Cebu, I think it can start at 3,000, 2,000 naman, but if you're talking about resorts, yun 5,000 and up yun na, di ba? It's $100. So any money traffic dire kung kay na school dire St. Benedict, dire na nadabalhin paano mag-traffic ni na area. But sa Iloay lang ta, cause of course eskwela man na tanan tato ni Agig eskwela. So anyway, na dire dapit sa F Kabahog Street pa nagdaet. Mana ang kuha na to, maroon na ito mga major announcements ang ITF plus road changes, then of course itong mini auto studio na baguan. The mini auto studio, by the way, also offers mga motorcycle brands like Vespa o Aprilia, mga mahalon na motorcycle brands na ganahan kay kag mga lagming mga motor, mga kalabang very kuana brands ba, in a way luxury brand na because in a kay may gatag ang hindi non-luxury or the more common ones are the Japanese brands like Honda, Yamaha, and pa din mga Chinese na brands like Rusi na offer more affordable ones. So kuan ba, although daghan na gid sad ang magmotor, it's affordable, it's also a business. Daghan ging manakay kog habal-habal. I don't know this kuan ganina ging manakay habal-habal tinganing ubang mga nanguli sa gikan lang nag-duty cell 7:30, dili sila mo time in, mo time out na sila. It's a kuan ba, lahi sa na ilang work sked down sa mga call center agents, but they're not they don't call call center agents anymore, they're BPO workers, business process outsourcing, because di naman call center na tanan. Some are doing backroom jobs, sales, and many more, diba? And I don't know kung ano na industry, very important na industry sa Cebu, na I hope that the government also sees the important di na nato sayangon. It has provided jobs there sa Cebu, thousands of jobs really, and nagharos billions and billions of pesos sa atong one. Hopefully ila silang pukusan na how can we in a way future proof that industry, help that industry na sustain in the future, because one, we have talent na naman natanan, then probably there are more needs, like nanay mga needs ba na usahay wala gitretso na na provide sa academe ba maglisod og apas ba na, for example, we need AI specialists, so na data science, daghan na mga terms na bywords na na hanglan ko anon. Pero usaya atong gobyerno sige lang hunahuna pag unsa pagpagwapa sa syudad. Usay di sa pagwapa, we need functional changes as well. Although we always say traffic, the infrastructure, but there's also a digital infrastructure that we have to take care of. Kada ba kung sa kapaspas ang internet, the data, diba? Maybe even the processing of permits kung bago kang business, even the taxes to be looked at. They have to look at the taxes kung are we competitive gihapon, or our taxes are so high na kumpara sa other places that which will force some businesses to move to another city. Diba? Manay hunahunao na to sa iba. Not only that, plus of course the quality of life. Diba? Manang importante ginang traffic sulbaron, asa kapuy-an, nabay tubig, food security. So di sa lalim na sa gobyerno eh. Pero anyway, mauna itong trip. We had a pretty long trip. So nalingaw gyapon ko because you guys are with me. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa susunod na itong lag-lag, bihay-bihay, suroy-suroy. Huwag ko pa keep on supporting this channel, this simple channel. And salamat yun sa suporta. Bye.